Well, he had the good intention na padaanin pa sa rail, papanda. How about this? This is open, pero nasaan
Correct.
ang possibility nito?
Doon makikita yung expertise ni Warren Quiamco. No? The option, of course, if there's a chance to make that shot. Pero hindi man, makikita mo, may safety na plano rin si Quiamco. So,
It's a long shot ngayon.
So the first attempt here of Vietnam is problema kasi doon sa bandang yun walang masyadong bola no? So saan mo ilalagay yung bola?
Exactly.
No, so obviously you won't attempt to pocket that one ball. Lahat ng bola halos nandito sa bandang ibabaw. So pretty challenging first attempt for the Vietnamese pair.
Will he try the banking shot here?
Most likely.
Oh, nag-safety.
Pero mukhang napaganda. Mukha ba? Oh.
I think kita yan. I think somehow kita naman yan. Ito talagang pinag-aaralan mabuti ni Piado.
Sa angle natin, partner, mukhang kita no?
Yes.
And ang mangyayari dito, kung sakali, yung tres, saan niya ilalagay? No? Yung cue ball.
So it's turning out to be a safety game right now.
Chess match right now. Parang hindi pa happy rin si Biado sa tira niya.
Kasi basically, kita Pero sabi nga natin, usually, kailangan ang advance sa pag-iisip mo rito. Mga 2 or 3 shots ahead ka agad.
Minimum, dalawang bola.
Yung position ng cue ball. That's the most important thing there. Safety again. So sa pagtayo ngayon ni Warren Quiamco is taking a look at this. The possibility. Will he go for the combination here? Nakita niyo naman. Tapat na yung sais. And that's what exactly happened there. And then sa may left corner, intention for the one ball.
Well, klaro yung one. But yung tres, medyo limited yung options kung sakali. Although he's looking at the kabilang na pocket,
Stop
ball, Yun na problema because yung 4 kasi medyo nakaangat dun no?
Para po dun sa ating mga manonood, good thing about doubles is that at least meron kang reassurance dun sa kakampi mo kasi you can talk before you take the shot.
Ang problema naman dun maaaring yung
kontra-kontra
next na tira mo madali for you pero hindi ganoon naman kadali sa katandem mo, diba? Kaya importante yung yung whatever plans you have, dapat alam nung kasama mo.
teamwork is essential. The Vietnamese, kinuha sa pina. Ooh! At dun sa knuckle, tumama yung tres. Kamot siya ng ulo. Parang ang feeling niya, patira mo uli sa akin yung kuha ko na yun.
Oo.
Sometimes they're also feeling the pressure.
Mukhang meron, partner, ano? Dahil gold medal match na ito.
Exactly.
And it's been quite some time, since nagkaroon ng doubles event sa 9-ball sa SEA Games, Tayo ang huli nag-champion dito, but I think that was back in 2005.
Needed some little English on that cue ball. Ako, dikit yata. No, nakita niyo naman yung 9-ball nakadikit na sa 4.
Really attempt to pocket that 4-ball. Mukhang yun din ang kanyang
Dapat.
gagawin dito.
Nilapit na sa butas yung 9.
Oo. When yung 5, parang medyo nakaangat dun yung 8, no? At least sa angle natin. Medyo pababa kasi yung tingin natin dito. Pero world number 1 naman to. Magagawa ng paraan ni Carlo Biado yan.
Ayan, nakikita ninyo, medyo nakakailang yung 8. Wow! Lusot na lusot. And taking a look at this. I think we're poised to take a 1-0 lead na.
Mababalikin to. Ayun.
Yun eh.
Ni Kiamco for Biado to have a better look at ball 8. And then isang mahina na yun. So sakto na.
Ayan,
Side pocket. Diretso. Lista mo na.
magaling ang Pilipino sa ganyan eh. Parang nilagay ang cue ball. So this is a race to 9. 1-0 in favor of the Philippines. The tandem of Juan and Cam.
Asian Games is presented to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
I know you're watching over us.
Please, it's really important. I really need to go to this concert.
This is the answer to my prayers.
I'm sorry.
Why did you do that?
Because you wanted to look like you.
Watch over them wherever you are with FamCam, only on the reliable family-sized connection of PLDT Home DSL.
Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, ang isang game and musical variety program.
Gaganapin sa isang truck that transforms into a stage.
Loaded sa saya at pa-premyo! Pwede kang manalo up to 300,000 pesos!
Kaya humanda na sa pag-arangkada ng Happiness on Wheels.
Happy Truck ng Bayan! Sama-sama sa ligaya! Linggo-linggo, Fiesta! Simula June 14, Linggo, 11 a.m. sa TV5.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surplus Plans. Packed with supersized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and texts, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
Stock up on data with Smart Big Bites. May apps and sites up to 300 MB. 50 pesos lang for 3 days. May free YouTube pa and more. Text Big 50 to 9999.
Ito, tingnan muli natin yung pagkakamali kanina ng Vietnamese. Look at that. Kumanto lang eh. And then, part of the game plan, spread out those balls.
Alam mo, partner, the billiards events dito sa SEA Games, napaka-exciting because, for a tandem to take it to a nil lead, or even 3-0, usually malaki na yun. At ito nga, mga pinagdaanan ng ating mga kababayan. Tinalo natin yung Laos sa quarterfinals 9-1 before we defeated Singapore 9-5 sa semifinals. Yung Thailand game sa preliminary, we took a 2-0 lead. Pero ang nangyari nun kasi, yung first track, nagkaroon ng mistake na similar to what happened kanina. Simpleng tira kung titignan mo. Pero sumablay.
So Nguyen Antoine of Vietnam. As compared to the Filipinos, the way they would break. Ito talagang hataw yung kanyang break.
Oo. And the 5 ball went in. At tingnan natin yung position. Parang hindi gusto to ni... Una-una, yung 1 kasi is being covered there by the 2 ball.
Yun.
And mukhang tatamaan naman. Pero ang problema nito is that walang pasok. So safety or push ang options of the Vietnamese pair.
When you're up against the Philippines, parang ang hirap nun eh.
Push? It happened sa Thailand, binigyan tayo ng push during the crucial part of that game. We were up 6-5 and may streak nun ng Thailand. Binigyan ng push, binalik ni Biado. Nangyari, kumamot yung Thailand.
Yun. Okay.
Mukhang mag-a-attempt dito yung ating mga kababayan.
Long shot man ito, pero may angle eh. Pwede ito may pasok ito. Sa may left bottom corner.
Pero parang yung 9 eh. Yun depende sa angle but right now,
sobrang bilib ko kasi sa mga Pilipino. Parang pwede lahat eh.
So binalik sa
binalik
sa Vietnam.
Okay. Sige, kayo bahala ngayon dyan. I think that was a very good decision for the Philippine team.
Baga ka na Biado, Kiamco. Problema nyo yun eh. Resolbahin nyo. Tama ka nga, may pasok eh.
Meron eh. Meron mahina sa mga pinahan itong mga Vietnamese eh.
Like yung kanina, sa rack 1.
Kumakanto pa yun eh. Ito, silip